In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting Illustrator files into other formats, using the BitRecover AI Converter Wizard. To install the BitRecover AI Converter Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. This is the interface of the BitRecover AI Converter Wizard. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with Select File or Select Folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select the folder or folders containing the Illustrator files you wish to convert. Then, click the Select Folder option below. This box will display the path of the selected folder. Click Next. Select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Users have the option to save the files in other formats such as PDF, Doc, DocX, JPG, GIF, and many others. Let's select PDF option for this tutorial. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. To select the destination path of the folder to be saved, click on the folder button icon and select the preferred folder. After selecting the destination path, it's time for the conversion process. Simply click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. Click OK. The trial version of the BitRecover AI Converter Wizard will only convert up to 5 files and will contain watermarks. To remove the limits and watermarks, you will need to purchase a license. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. You have successfully converted Illustrator files using the BitRecover AI Converter Wizard. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.